English Grammar Standard 5. Today I will be explaining you all adverb and its kinds. Adverbs. What are adverbs? An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, and another adverb. Adverbs provide information about the manner, place, time, frequency, or degree of action denoted by the verb, an adjective, or another adverb. The function of an adverb is determined by the question it answers. Adverbs are placed in a particular position according to their function in a sentence. For example, the alarm rang loudly. Loudly is an adverb. Harry ran quickly. Quickly is an adverb. Now, the first type of an adverb is adverb of manner. An adverb of manner tells us how something is done or happens. We use it at the beginning or end of a sentence. Adverb of manner shows how the work is done. For example, John drives carefully. How the work is done over here? John drives the car carefully. So carefully is an adverb of manner. Second example, he gossips incessantly. Incessantly means constantly. So which is a word? Incessantly is an adverb of manner. How does he gossips? He gossips incessantly. So and incessantly is an adverb of manner. The second is adverb of place. An adverb of place tells us where something is done or happens. We use it at the end. For example, there is a fair nearby. Where there is a fair? Nearby. So it is showing about some place nearby. So nearby is a adverb of place. Second example is in spring flowers bloom everywhere. So where does the flower blooms? Everywhere. Everywhere indicates the place. So that's why this adverb is adverb of place. Everywhere is a adverb of place. The third is adverb of time. An adverb of time tells when something is done. We use it at the beginning or end of the sentence. For example, the results were announced yesterday. When was the result announced? Yesterday. So yesterday is a adverb of time. Second example, should we shut the shop now? Now. When should we shut the shop? Now. So now is an adverb of time. Here are certain table what adverbs tell and the examples are given. Well, we parked the car here. Where did we park the car? Here. It is showing something about a place. So like this there is a table with the examples. So children, here are some sentences given for practice. You have to do it at home in your rough work and you have to make it fair in the notebook. In your grammar notebook you have to write the sentences with the answers. Adverb or adjective for practice. Label the words as an adverb or adjective. The underlined words are given. You have to label them whether they are adjective or an adverb, and you have to write down in your FAIR notebook, that is your grammar notebook. Thank you.